Hello, my name's Jonathan Blake. I'd like to spend a few minutes with you explaining to you and demonstrating how and why simple eye exercises can dramatically improve your vision and maybe even get you to a point where you don't have to worry about wearing glasses ever again. The main reasons for bad eyesight are in fact natural, and the reality is they can be cured very naturally through simple, regular eye exercises. So why jump straight to wearing glasses without even trying simple, regular eye exercises is the obvious question. Perhaps people are simply unaware that eyes will respond quickly to even a little regular exercise. The muscles that control and shape the lens in the eye can be worked just like the bicep muscles in your arms, and a little daily exercise for a couple of weeks has been shown to completely fix over 45% of eye problems, with a further 30% showing drastic improvement. Wearing glasses in fact teaches you your eyes bad habits, commonly causes a steady deterioration in eyesight and costs an average of $500 a year. So it's clear that spending a short amount of time running through some eye exercises could literally be the best decision you ever made about your eyesight and your wallet. If you've been dependent on wearing glasses for a number of years, there's also encouraging news. Your eyes are so versatile that you can reverse the effects that your glasses have had on your vision. In fact, some people can completely cure their vision problems within the first month of proper eye training. Eye exercises can work on eyesight problems that have even been caused through aging. Just by researching about eye exercises, you're already ahead of the crowd, but now is the time to take some action and get exercising. You have nothing to lose and everything to win. The link below this video gives you access to a course widely commended for its success rate, but for the meantime, let's watch our favorite yoga instructor in action. Just see how easy these exercises can be.
Sitting cross-legged on the floor. Wherever you're sitting, close your eyes and feel your eyes and become aware you want to be grateful to your eyes and you want to do something good for your eyes. Open your eyes, look towards the right and towards the left, towards the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Close your eyes, feel your eyes, and with each exhalation imagine you send relaxing energy, light energy from your abdomen to your eyes or through your eyes. Open your eyes again, look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Close your eyes, feel your eyes, and with each exhalation send relaxing energy from your abdomen to your eyes and through your eyes. Open your eyes again. Now look to the upper right, lower left, 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 upper right, lower left. Close your eyes. Send relaxing energy to your eyes. Open your eyes again. Look towards the upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right. Close your eyes and send relaxing energy from your abdomen towards your eyes. Open your eyes again and make no circular movement clockwise. Look up and then slowly to the right and to the bottom and to the left and up to the right, down, and continue a few times. Try to make it complete circles and not just squares. This practice also helps to harmonize the two hemispheres of the brain. Now, other direction, counterclockwise. Do slow conscious movement. And slowly close your eyes and feel the relaxing energy of your abdomen go into your eyes. Now open up your eyes again and stretch out your right arm, thumb, the level of your eyes. Look towards your thumb. Look far away. Back to your thumb. Now look towards the tip of your nose, to your thumb, far away. Your thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, far away. Thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, far away. Thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, and far away. Close your eyes, lower your hand, breathe a few times, and send relaxing energy into your eyes and through your eyes. Now, lift up your hands a little bit and rub your palms, warming up your palms and increasing the life force, the prana in your hand and your hand chakras. Put your palms over your eyes and feel the energy of your palms radiate into your eyes. Feel that calming, soothing, relaxing energy. Slowly relax your hands, lower your hands. And one more time, rub your palms, developing warmth in your palms, feeling the energy in your palms. And put your palms over your eyes and feel the relaxing energy of your palms radiate into your eyes. Slowly lower your hands. Remain seated for a few moments. Breathe a few times deeply. Feel the relaxation of your eyes, relaxation of your mind. You can do this wonderful breathing exercise every day. Your eyesight will improve. You don't need to get headache. And you come to clearer and clearer insights. Lisa and Sukadev wish you a day full of insights, full of calmness, peace and compassion.